All right, so 95.1 Wazobia FM be the station where we just did so. And like I tell you now, they expect my own person inside studio, my own guy, making us proud. I dey tell you true. You know, easy to break into that particular sector. Where would they talk about? Would they talk about comedy for inside America there? Now in this my homeboy just they there they doing thing and if they doing thing they do them well. Those are stuff we know them well. I get SEYI BROWN in the studio. SEYI, how you did this morning?
Oh boy, I did can't pay as we talk about my body. They can't pay.
Yes, so and then from modeling to presenting to acting. I get them.
Yes.
Now the process with that.
Yes.
From
yes.
modeling to presenting to acting, then to comedy.
That's so. I don't touch every part of entertainment.
Yes. For those of now we know when in the present, if it be you, back then
Lagos Lotto.
If it be you, then from there you can't follow the doctor's quarters that year too. Where then show for long for TV. Then from doctors, SEYI, even like I send you one of your pictures when I dey watch doctor's quarters. Where then show again, screenshot and send that to you. Make you see as you be that year. All right, but then now comedy. Now hunger carry you enter comedy. I don't know because if you enter that America, you know, say people know they understand. They don't understand when you talk say you do American, you no get money. People know they understand them. Yeah, maybe because people don't they.
Now waiting in America they sell through their movie.
Okay, now waiting.
They make everybody believe say, oh my, the streets of America are paved with gold. You could just enter America, things could just happen and all that.
But really, SEYI, now what to make you enter into comedy?
I go tell you, comedy is always a part of me where I want to pursue for a long time.
Oh, really?
But time don't really there, and I know sure say I go feel they consistent. That's why I know anything I know say I know feel they consistent. I know they even bother because I like to they excellent. You understand? So, but as I can't enter America now, so wait till we say we change address while I dey process my work permit.
Yeah.
So they send the papers to my former address.
Yeah.
As nobody did, and they return them to them, and me I can't wait. So eventually when we can't get in touch, they can't talk say we go wait for another 6 months or before they. So I can't say wait. I know go get work permit for 6 months. What can't they do?
6 months.
6 months. So
and to stay America 6 months without job.
Without a job.
You know, even to stay 2 months without job, self no problem.
I mean, luck where I get be say my wife na actress.
Okay.
So she they make the money. So, but you know, as a Nigerian man, I wasn't comfortable.
You need to. Yes.
Hey, make the woman they make money. So I was okay. I must find something to do. Next day I go print complimentary card. I go all the Nigerian restaurant with the LA. They give them say as they hire on for caterer.
Yes.
If they ask for MC,
I did.
This is my card. And that thing pay. Because within 3 days, one woman just called me say one of the women Lagos canteen. I Lagos. I can't remember.
For LA then.
For LA, they come say Africa Channel people come. So they say they need Nigerian comedian for something. I say now maybe that. So I go audition. So they say they want start a comedy show for African diaspora,
yes.
African comedian in the diaspora. With the America platform. Or when I get the job because they feel say because Nigeria get the biggest population.
Yes.
And from there, other Nigerians can't see me for TV now.
Are you serious?
When they hire me for work. So wait till I don't go lie. The beginning where I start, that night of 1,000 laughs, now I'm going to go watch for YouTube.
Yes.
They take refresh myself. We watch basket, watch everybody. You know, they take refresh myself until I goes, okay, the one way I watch other people don't make I begin to develop my own. Yeah. And that's how it starts.
Wow.
Now hustling.
Now hustling. Hustling. And then we thank God say the hustling can't begin to pay now. Because like play, you hit them big Netflix the Netflix original. So far, the show comedy. What be the title again?
Nigerian American.
Nigerian American. If you check the poster, you go see him. In we Agbada for one. He can't do the Yankee boy for the other one.
People they ask whether I be twins. Say, are you a twin?
They don't get sense. Come on, no be poster. Okay, but then now waiting day now be that, and then how far the response don't be so far?
To the glory of God, the response has been very, 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 very positive. People they call us. In fact, somebody don't come from Kenya, somebody don't come from Ghana and Uganda. Tell me, say, oh boy, I wish say the person will do this thing. they from their country. Say the way we talk about Nigeria for that special.
Oh, that's
say they like them. Say they wish say other people could talk about their country like that. Because what I do is I make sure say I don't run my country down. You know, so we both the way where they, you know, like when you reach America, and once you say you be Nigeria, they'll say, oh, shit, now you be the African prince where they write them email.
Yes.
And you know, say everywhere where they go, even though they do like say like joke. But you know, say now waiting their mind.
Yes.
The only place for America where we say Nigerians get very, very positive women. And one city where they call El Paso for Texas.
Okay.
Because 90% of Nigeria where they there, they be doctors. So if for El Paso, you will say, oh, I am a Nigerian, they will ask you, say, are you a doctor? Isn't that a positive thing? You understand?
For El Paso,
Texas, which is
I
9
know
hours
that
from Houston, by the border.
9 hours.
9 hours drive.
Okay, that's why I don't know.
If you they stay El Paso, you go to look Mexico from afar like this.
Okay.
But most Nigeria where they respect. That is the respect where they get for the Nigerian community there. When they shoot, you know, I don't know whether you hear one shooting for El Paso like 2 years ago.
Okay.
The Nigerian doctors there, they give the family money $15,000.
Wow.
In their coffers.
Yeah.
And when I host their annual events, now Oyibo fool the place.
Wow.
They respect Nigerian doctors, especially Texas, DC, Maryland, New York, Virginia, California.
Yeah.
You know, Nigerian doctors are doing well.
Oh yeah, then they flag our fly. You know, you get one man for Nigerian, one hospital for Abuja. The man be no well. Congo hospital. No Igbo doctor they did the hospital normally. Now the guy can't go there, can't say one see the specialist. The one Nigerian man come. The guy no grill. He say wetin happen to the Oyibo people then. You can't ask for the Oyibo doctor. They can't say the Oyibo doctor don't go back. Say na this Nigerian man. Now in charge. The man say make them no worry. You no gree receive treatment. He say make them no worry. The guy can't fly. Go book appointment for a hospital for Yankee. So they can't tell and the day where the specialist go there around. Yeah, as he go where he reach there. Now the same man when turned down
for Niger
for Abuja here.
Now in the fly.
Now the guy, yes, now him be specialist for there.
You know, say the guy na consultant.
Yes.
Where they go and
yes, where they go come. You know, say the guy they go come.
Can you imagine?
So when they can't reach there, now that same man. So when the man enter ward, see him, the man just say, I saw you 2 weeks ago in Nigeria. The man can say, you are the same doctor. Now the same guy still treat him for that side.
You don't waste money.
Yes, so
the money we forgive us.
Yes, he still waste time. Now he can't pay double. Upon say he fly, upon say
he go pay for flight.
Yes,
he pay for accommodation.
Yes.
Can't pay foreign currency.
Yes,
again.
Can't pay foreign currency for the same treatment where he forgets here with the same man. You know, but of course I know say Nigerians they do well, and then
very well.
And then big congratulations to you, because whether you like them or not, you try to put our name there too. In particular for comedy, be like saying now you be the first person where they go do the special like that.
Have you heard about Africans who they're walking 20 miles to school every day and 20 miles back? So you can imagine after I've done that for 20 years and I come to America, all in the name of romance, say, honey, let's go for a walk. Walk kill you there. So I should still be walking. Why do you think I came to America? Primary school to secondary school, I walked. Secondary to university, I walked. Even when I was going to the embassy, I walked. Coming to America, I could not afford the total flight. I walked to Morocco. Before I enter boats, then the boat, and I enter aeroplane to come to America. And I said, honey, let's go for a walk. Please, don't that fire.
God do that one because I don't even know. Say na so it go be. You know, say ever since Black Panther. For America, all the African Americans, they want something from Africa where they go associate with. So as Black Panther come, Afrobeat can follow.
Yes.
You understand? In the last 4 years, Afrobeat done big for America. Well. Now they can't get coming to America too.
Yes.
The Burna Boy self can't win again. And now, where this thing can't come out, this Nigerian American comedy special self can't come out. So it will be like saying a right timing.
For everything.
Because you know the African Americans, when they come back home to associate with Africa, that's why that year of return for Ghana.
Yeah.
That is they take them serious.
No, then they take that one play.
You know, they say every December they do Ghana, they make $1 billion US. And I feel saying that it's high time when Nigeria self go take advantage of something like that, because now we be the biggest, now we get the most influence, and I would like to tell our government to take advantage of that.
When would they think of this Nigeria matter? It dey tire person sometimes. It dey tire person sometimes. Sometimes, so no be every time. Sometimes.
But I happy as I tell them, say, look, now Nigeria be the hope of the black race, even for America.
Yes, yes.
And I prove them to them.
Yes, they know.
You understand?
Because we they dominate.
Guy, okay, I tell them, say, okay, American pick if you tell the mama, say, mom, you know what? I want to tell you something. I think I don't want to go to school no more. And the mama go talk, say, okay, son, you can be whatever you want to be. Okay, if you don't want to go to school, that's all right. Then if you come up for school, if you get mind, tell your mama, say, mama, be like, say, I don't want to go to school anymore. Number one, they go believe, say, now somebody from village, and I they do them. Then number two, our mamas get one weapon. We never fail them.
Oh.
That backhand slap, we go reset your brain.
Reset.
One of my friends tell me, say, he said, one tell him, mama, say, he don't want to go to school. Say, I say, go approach him, mama, say, mama, be like, say, I don't want to go to school. Then come say, oh yeah. Consider we could discuss. I said that first mistake they do that because African parents they know they discuss.
They
dictate that they dictate.
Yes.
And she say make you sit down like this in a trap with that. The guy say I say sit down. You just notice everywhere go black. Say by the time when I go clear again, mama come say, hey, what was it that you wanted to discuss? Because say, I want to say after I finish my first degree, I go do masters. Then after masters, I go do PhD. Then after PhD, in fact, I want old school. In fact, I want to live in the school all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of school forever. See what this slap do. Reset in brain.
You must reset, whether you like them or not. Now reset technique, and they work for our parents.
I say they talk say if all our mama play tennis. Serena for the learn.
Yes.
That backhand way like Serena know.
Yes,
I believe say Serena Williams. Na Nigeria.
Yeah, the real blood. All right. So, but now you go still go back into acting.
Oh, that one. Say they'll be hand in hand now. If you see Eddie Murphy, if you see Chris Rock, if you see Kevin Hart. They work hand in hand.
Martin Lawrence,
all of them. Martin Lawrence. This special now just to say, okay, I have something to say. And I need to make people do special. Maybe say things don't accumulate. Like waiting, make my own come out. Be say I tire for the way Americans they portray us.
Yeah.
Now I make out because Nigerian American. Now they call Nigerians with the America. They call us especially the ones. So I can't let them know. Say look. This is not the quality where we get. We are special people. In fact, when you are talking about black excellence, Nigerians black excellence because they prefer to talk about internet scammers, which is like what 0.01% of the Nigerian population.
They don't see Indian people with they scam,
or even Americans. Who can reach Americans now?
Yes,
you understand. So now make me do this one, and by the grace of God, it get very good review. I want to believe say we get like maybe 4 out of 5-star ratings,
Yeah,
that's not just to say we did modest before say 5 over 5.
Yes, but so I beg those of you way they there make una try out, go on top Netflix, go see what in my homeboy do.
You understand? Having the mind to look at things that are not and calling them as if they are, and those kind of romances, sweet. You understand? Now, I want you guys to take your time to look at my legs. You notice that they are not straight. This is not how I was born. Have you heard about an African student walking 20 miles to school every day and 20 miles back? So you can imagine after I've done that for 20 years and I come to America, all in the name of romance, say, honey, let's go for a walk. Walk, kill you there. So I should still be walking. Why do you think I came to America? Primary school to secondary school, I walked. Secondary to university.
Follow am on topping page. Sheyi your page now waiting again.
Sheyi_Brown on Instagram, Sheyi Brown on Facebook.
Sheyi_Brown on Instagram, Sheyi Brown on Facebook.
Sheyi Brown on
Twitter.